In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access video settings in Discord, so you can adjust your camera, fix video issues, and make sure everything looks perfect before you jump into a call. Whether you're using Discord for gaming, meetings, online classes, or just chatting with friends, knowing where your video settings are is super important. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow Discord guides. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Discord on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Once Discord loads, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll usually land on your home screen or inside one of your servers. From here, we're going to head to your user settings, because that's where all the audio and video controls are located. Now look down at the bottom left corner of the Discord window. You'll see your profile picture, your username, and right next to that, a small gear icon. That gear icon is the user settings button. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you click it, a new settings panel will open on the left-hand side of your screen with a list of different options. Inside the user settings menu, you'll see categories like My Account, Profiles, Privacy and Safety, and more. What we're looking for is the Voice and Video section. Scroll down slightly if you need to, and then click on Voice and Video. This is where Discord keeps all of your microphone, speaker, and camera settings in one place. Once you click on Voice and Video, you'll see several options appear on the right side of the screen. At the top, you'll usually see your input device, which is your microphone, and your output device, which is your speakers or headphones. If you scroll down a bit further, you'll find the Video settings section. This is the area that controls your camera. Here, you can select which camera Discord should use if you have more than one connected. For example, if you have a built-in webcam and an external USB camera, you can choose the one you prefer from the drop-down menu. After selecting your camera, you should see a preview window that shows exactly how your video will look to others during a call. This is extremely helpful for checking lighting, positioning, and overall video quality before joining a voice or video chat. If your camera isn't working, this is also the place where you can troubleshoot. Make sure the correct camera is selected and check that no other application is currently using it. Sometimes simply reselecting the camera from the dropdown can refresh the connection. You can also disable or enable video features depending on your needs. Take a moment to scroll through the rest of the voice and video settings. You'll notice additional options that can improve your experience, such as video background features or hardware acceleration depending on your system. Adjust these settings based on your preferences and system performance. Once you're done making changes, you don't need to press a save button because Discord automatically saves your settings. You can simply close the settings window by clicking the escape key or selecting another server or channel. The next time you start a video call, your updated camera settings will already be applied. And that's it. That's how you access video settings in Discord and adjust your camera the right way. It only takes a few clicks, but it makes a big difference in how you appear during calls. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.